Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 226 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about trusting that you can move forward without carrying yesterday's weight. You are allowed to start fresh every single moment. Let's begin by taking a deep, steady breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the air fill your chest. Then feel the release as it leaves your body. Now, say to yourself, I begin again. This moment is new, and I trust my next step. Keep breathing, letting the freshness of this moment fill you. You are not bound to what was. You are open to what is. When you're ready, gently return to the present and carry this sense of renewal with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.